In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the microphone is not working in Google Chrome, or whenever you're trying to get into any site, you get an error on the microphone, and this is what we have to do. So the first and foremost step is all about just get into the Google Chrome or any site that you wanted to check. And the first and foremost step is all about we have to minimize this. Now go over here at the bottom on the taskmat bar over here at the bottom, and you have to right click, and there is an option over here called sound setting in which you have to click on this. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to navigate to the input and make sure that you have selected the right device here. So in my case, I have selected the microphone, that is Blue 80 stereo microphone, and make sure that you selected the right device from here. Once you select the right device, make sure that you set this to the maximum, and afterwards what you need to do is you have to close this and just go back and load up the website that you wanted to check. It can be a Google or it can be any other website you wanted to. And once you get into this, what you need to do is you have to make sure the first and foremost step is all about. For example, I'll try to search something here, for example, YouTube. Now once I get into this, I have to click on this icon over here at the top, and from here I need to navigate to the site setting. Now from here, scroll it down and navigate to the microphone and click over here and drop it down and make sure that you set this to allow here. That is very important. And also you just need to go back and click on this once again. And from here under the permissions, make sure you go to the microphone here as well. Now over here, what you need to do is you have to select the right device here. So in my case, I have selected the Blue 80 microphone as the right device, and also make sure the default behavior should be given access, that site can ask to use your microphone, and also make sure no kind of site is being added here. So these are some of the sites where you can add which not want you to use the microphone. You can set it up. So make sure that you have it added here, and also you have given complete access to the google.com. So whenever you search any kind of thing, it have all the access to the microphone here. So these are the thing, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.